students, class 2nd standard, subject maths, session 17, unit 6, portion heading, collection of data. Hi kitties, good morning. We learnt about selection in our previous session. I gave the homework to you. I hope you completed. Today we are going to learn about collection of data. Okay? Data collection means the process of preparing and collecting data. Data is collected to provide information on a specific topic. It can be collected through a picture. Okay? Let's learn about the collection of data in this story. Collection of data through measurement. Heading. Abhishek and his father visit a toy shop. His father promises to buy him a toy if he answers the questions correctly. Can you help him? Okay. Abhishek groups the number of toys and to answer the question. First, let us count the teddy bear toys. Okay. There are 10 teddy bears. Next, we count the balls. Yes, there are 8 balls. Next, we count the duckies. Yes, 5 duckies are there. Next, we count the lorry toys. Yes, there are 3 lorry toys. Next, we count the horse toys. Okay, how many horse toys are there? Yes, there are 7 horse toys. Finally, we count the rocket toys. There are 6 rocket toys. Now, let us answer the questions. Question number 1. Which toy is most in number? You say, how many teddy bears are here? Very good. 10. Question number 2. Which toy is found to be least in the shop? Very good. The lorry toys are found to be least in the shop. There are only 3 toys. Next, question number 3. Can you place the rocket and lorry toys in the same shelf? Discuss. Yes, we cannot place a rocket toy in place of a lorry toy because a rocket toy is taller than a lorry toy. So, we cannot place them. Same way, we cannot place a lorry toy in place of the rocket toy in that shelf because the lorry toy is longer than the rocket toy. Listen children, can you see the height of the trees in the given picture? Let's see one by one. Question number 1. The height of the banana tree is 3 meters. Which tree is in second position? Yes, palm tree. The palm tree is 6 meters. Next. Good. Mango tree. The height of the mango tree is 4 meters. What is the last one? Yes, coconut tree. The height of the coconut tree is good, 5 meters. Using this information, now we are going to answer the questions. See the question number 2. Which is the tallest tree? Good, it's the palm tree. Next, which is the shortest tree? Yes, banana tree. Next, name the tree which is 4 meters tall. Very good, it's a mango tree. Final question, name the tree whose height is between 4 meters and 6 meters. Correct, that is coconut tree. Next, let's see the practice part. Can you see the group of children standing here? Yes, these children group themselves to take part in 3 different games. Let's see what games they are going to participate. Okay. First, running race. Second, walking race. Third, frog race. How many children are participated in the running race? Yes, there are 13 children. How many children are participated in walking race? Good. 6 children. How many children are participated in frog race? Correct. 8 children. Observe the above picture and answer the following questions. First, how many students like to take part in walking race? See this, they asked how many boys and how many girls. Very good. 2 boys, 4 girls. Next, question number 2. How many students like to take part in frog race? Dash boys, dash girls. Good. There are 4 boys and 4 girls. Next, question number 3. How many boys and girls like to take part in running race? Yes, the answer is 6 boys and 7 girls. Next, which game is played by maximum number of children? Good, running race. Question number 5. How many girls are there in both walking race and frog race? Yes, 4 girls in walking race, 4 girls in frog race. So totally there are 8 girls. Next, question number 6. Which game is played by minimum number of children? Very good. It's a walking race. There are only 6 children. Final question. How many students play the game walking race and running race in total? Yes, the number of children in walking race is 6. The number of children in running race is 13. 6 plus 13 is equal to 19. So that totally 19 students. Okay. Are you understand? Okay dears. Today homework for you. Write the questions and answers of practice part 1 time. Thank you students.